Recently here at Eurotech, we've added turning capabilities to our machining arsenal. From a push from one of our major space customers to build fuel fittings for their rocket engines out of Inconel, Monel 400, stainless, and other exotic metals, we chose the Eurotech lathe because of its rigid platform and its 12,000 RPM live tooling capability. This also allowed us to pull a project from our 5-axis machine into our 6-axis lathe to be able to cut some things that we once had to shift off to our mills. Now we can keep it all in one machine, which in turn drives down cost and time for our customers. This machine also has enabled us to produce very close tolerances, plus or minus 1/10 of an inch. And also, some of the surface finishes required on these fuel fittings are a 16 micron or less. We're able to make it a one-stop shop in our lathe.